morning, guys. I hope you all had a good Halloween. I hope you made it. You survived. Obviously I did. Here I am. I didn't eat too much chocolate. I'm alive, doing well. So I haven't done this for a while and I decided it was time to do this. You know, everyone says great work to all of us guys at the shop here, and we really appreciate it. But you know, there's a lot of people behind the background that you don't see, and we got to give a shout out for them. I got a shout out to M&H Machinery here in Chilliwack. Look them up, M&H. I get all my sheet metal from them. I get my, my angle iron, my tubing, my pipe. I get my nuts and bolts from them. We've got to give a thank out to those guys over there, especially Dan and Jack. They let me roam around the back and just help myself to whatever I need, and then come up front, which I appreciate that, because sometimes it's hard to explain what you're looking for. You just got to go back there when you're fabricating and customizing. I can't explain what I'm looking for, so I got to thank them for that. I want to thank Lordco. Again, Lordco delivers a lot of my parts. They deal with me quite a bit on a regular basis, almost 2-3 times a day. And you know, it's not like I'm phoning up and saying, hey, I need a water pump for a 1998 Honda. I'm like, I've got a 31 Model A with a Hemi in it, and I need this, this, and this to make it work. And I'm actually putting these boys to work. They got to look up in the books what I'm trying to find. They're not on the computer. So I got to thank them. I got to thank Fortins. Fortins is another auto supplier of mine. They help me out big time over there, and I do buy a lot of paint off them. Brianna, the paint girl, always takes care of me. I phone her up, or I text her sometimes and say, hey, this is what I'm looking for, and she's right on it and gets me the paint done. So I got to give a big thanks to Fortins for supplying me stuff. Churchill Towing, Richard, you've seen him before. If you need a tow, he's the way to go. Churchill Towing, he's always got the lab in the front seat. The guy takes, he's just so responsible and takes such good care of the cars. And you know what I like about Richard is that I can say to him, hey Richard, here's a car I need picked up at this address. Can you go pick it up and be there for this time, such and such a time? And I don't have to worry about meeting him there. He goes there, he gets it, he brings it to me, because I don't have time, and he knows that, to meet him there. And it's never an issue. I've never had a bad experience with Richard, and I want to give him a huge thanks out. Like I say, you're in the Fraser Valley. If you need a tow, he's the way to go, Churchill Towing. Okay. God, there's so many people I want to thank. KMS Tools. KMS Tools, I've got to thank Rick over there. Every time I walk in the door, he says, oh, Rick sees me, sees the other Rick, and he says, uh-oh, got to give this boy a discount. And it's working, because every time he gives me a discount, I keep coming back and buying more. So I'm already there 2 days a week. But KMS Tools, I bought a lot of tools from them, guys. I just appreciate them, the good service over there. They always help me out, and if they don't have nothing for me, they get it from the other store, and they get it within a day or two. I'm not waiting around for weeks on end. So big shout out to them, guys. Finish Master, I got to thank Finish Master. I get all my products from them, like your sandpaper, your body filler, your primers, putties. I get all that from Finish Master. I also get it from Sherwin-Williams. I got to give them a thanks out. ProFlow powder coaters here in Chilliwack. Scott does all my powder coating for me. Exceptional work over there. Super quick turnaround. I take stuff in there on a Monday and I get it back. Usually he's phoning me on a Thursday. And I'm usually trying to dodge him. I'm like, oh my God, now I gotta go pick this stuff up on Friday. It's the weekend almost. I want to relax. So he's so quick at it. If you need powder coating, really, honestly, ProFlow Powder Coaters does beautiful work. And with that being said, he can't do the powder coating until the parts are blasted. So we got Fraser Valley Blasting right next door, Burns and Mitch and the boys. I've never had an issue with these guys with anything. I tell them what I want blasted, how I want it blasted. They've never warped any panels for me. Their turnaround time is unbelievable. Usually if I drop it off the beginning of the week, it is ready the end of the week. It is incredible. And they're such fun guys. They're all such fun guys over there. I could sit there and drink beer with them all day long. I don't do that though, trust me. So, I also want to thank Hot Rods and Classics here in town. I get a lot of my parts, so your street rods, your hot rods, your muscle cars, sheet metal stuff. I get a lot of parts through them. They're good guys over there. They treat me really good. Sometimes I run in there and say, hey, can I just take this part home real quick just to test it on my car? I don't know if it's going to work or not. They're like, take it. I don't pay for it. I run it home. I just hold it up there gently. Yeah, it's going to work. I run back. I pay them. If it don't work, I take it back and say thank you. That's hard to find these days. Ken's Wheel and Tire. Ken's Wheel and Tire, the boys over there, they treat me so good. And Ken actually is our mayor here in town. That's right. So Mike, he's running the place for Ken, but I see Ken once in a while. They're good guys over there. They also do all my wheel alignments when I'm done. So awesome place to go. Greendale Motors. Every vehicle that we do around here, when we put an engine and all that kind of stuff in it, after we're done putting the engine in, I mean, I have a timing light, but I take it to Greendale Motors. They got a proper scope. They can put it on there. They set it up. They adjust it for me. I can't say enough about Greendale Motors, just down the road from me. Awesome guys. I don't know. I mean, I could go on and on here. Old Car Center up in Langley. I get all my hot rod parts for them. These guys have been around forever. I've been going to the Old Car Center since I was like 12 years old. Forever I've been going there. And I've watched these guys grow, and it's just unbelievable. I'm sure I'm missing people out there. I sure am, but you know, it's just, if I am, I'm so sorry. I want to, especially now, some of you out there, you say to me, Rick, sometimes you write my videos, are you having a bad hair day? Because usually y'all know my hair is perfect, or at least you guys think it is. I don't think it is, but you're always bugging me because my hair is always slicked back and combed up, and you're always like, you having a bad hair day? When my hair is a mess or when I got a hat on, you know I'm having a bad hair day, but I'm not. The hat's on because I'm painting that day. But anyway, big shout out to Tommy Guns. Yes, Eagle Landing out here in Fraser Valley. Tommy Guns, the manager over there, Ron, exceptional guy. The girls over there, the girls are awesome over there. I've had quite a few of the girls over there cut my hair just because I show up at different times, and you know, sometimes I just don't get the same girl, but they're all doing a wonderful job. I mean, look, they're keeping me all slicked back, looking pretty good. Good place to get your pomades if you need like Layrite, Suavecito. I don't know, they got so many pomades over there, it's unbelievable. I could sit and stare at the wall all day long like I'm looking at car parts when it comes to pomade. I want to give a big thanks out to them. There you go. I mean, if we're going down that route, I may as well thank down the road here, Yale Brewing, Old Yale Brewing, and Farmhouse Brewing just opened up. They're literally 5 minutes around the corner from me. I ride my John Deere up there, I have a couple beer, I come back home, and the cops can't get me because I was on my John Deere tractor. There we go. So anyway, most of all, I want to thank my staff. I want to thank Chris, he's my right-hand man. I got Mike, my newest welder. We got Bruce, my part-time body man. We got Sean, my main body man. The guy doesn't know how to take a day off. And we got to thank the newest member, Jess. If it wasn't for Jess, you haven't met Jess, but Jess is the one. She's the girl putting all these videos up for me. I got to thank her for that. She's doing a wonderful job here. You got to give her big kudos for her, because if it wasn't for this, I wouldn't be out there because I don't know how to do this. So thanks a lot. And I got to thank you guys. I got to thank my customers. My customers are like top notch. And I got to thank all you guys on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for watching us and for supporting us. With that being said, we're on YouTube. Obviously, you're watching me now. I'm on Facebook, Old Time Garage. I'm on Instagram. Instagram's kind of hard to find, but you can find me. It's Ricks_Old Time Garage. And I am posting videos on Facebook and on Instagram, 1 to 2 minute videos during the day that you don't see here on YouTube. Christmas is coming soon. We're coming up with some new shirts and decals here. They'll be here by the end of November, so watch for that. If you want to find that stuff out, you can go to oldtimegarage.ca. And I don't know what else to say. If I've missed anyone out there, I apologize, but I want to thank you all, because it's the people in the background to keep this shop going. If it wasn't for them, where would you go? And that's all I got to say. So I hope you all had a good Halloween. I hope you're all safe. That's good. I'm going to go and enjoy myself now at one of those breweries I just mentioned, have some beer, because it is almost noon. That's what I'm doing on my Sunday. And I want to thank you all. So remember, you know it. It's always a good time where? It's always a good time at Old Time. I'll see you next time.